Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. If you're not following the live show, let me let you know what's going on right now. Jelo has been evicted from the Ultimate Love show. Yeah, Ultimate Love 2020 couple Louis and Jenny, nicknamed Jelo, have been evicted from the Ultimate Love pad this week 5, during the live show hosted by Dakore. We have been having a series of questions to know name of couple evicted from Ultimate Love show in week 5. Louis and Jenny were evicted together as a couple during the live eviction show this week. After the nomination process, recall that Louis and Jenny Koko, nicknamed Jelo, Arnold Bolanle, nicknamed Bola, Kachi and Rosie, nicknamed Roxy, Chidi Banks and Sylvia, nicknamed Chivia, were up for possible eviction in week 5 of the show for having the highest number of nominations from fellow love guests in the love pad in week 4. Jenny Koko and Louis were checked out from the Ultimate Love show just now, which is currently live on GoTV and DSTV. Louis and Jenny left the show empty-handed without winning the grand prizes as expected by their fans during the reality show. Drop your comment if you're satisfied or not with Louis and Jenny eviction from the Ultimate Love 2020 live reality show in week 5. Okay, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit on the bell icon to get new updates on Ultimate Love. Stay tuned.